Today I'm going to be making an easy, fun, light and healthy fish cake recipe with Brunswick Tomato and Basil Sardines. Some of you may be thinking, how can sardines be fun, as most of us would be familiar with the sardines in the tin that still has the skin, guts and spine intact. Well, Brunswick has made it a lot more convenient for us by creating this protein-packed, boneless, ready-to-eat option, which is also filled with omega-3 fatty acids that fits into our busy and hectic lifestyles. Start by adding my sardines to the bowl. Just gonna break it up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna be adding some plain whole milk yogurt. Apart from adding a creamy texture to the patty, this adds to the overall aroma of the fish cake. I'm adding some panko breadcrumbs. This is our binding agent, as well as another textural component to the dish. Some freshly cut parsley for its herbaceous aroma and flavor. Garlic for its pungent, spicy flavors, which also gets sweeter when cooked. Cajun Seasoning to elevate the fish cake and add a bit of spiciness. Egg, which is also used as a binding agent as well as an emulsifying agent. Salt to taste to help marry and elevate our fish cakes. And a little black pepper. So I'm going to take my spoon here and mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Right, so you want to continue to mix this until everything is well incorporated, ensuring all the sardines have broken up and spread throughout your mixture. Once that's achieved, I'm going to take a tablespoon and spoon out individual patties, place it into my hand, shape them into the individual patties and transfer to a baking dish. Right, so now that we have our mixture mixed and well combined, I'm going to be taking a tablespoon, taking out a little bit, just putting it in my hand and just shaping it into a nice round even patty. Now again, these are mini fish cakes. Just place directly onto your greased baking dish. Now this recipe is an easy, fun, quick recipe. This could be a snack, this could be a meal. Right, so once you finish making all your patties, you're adding it to your preheated oven, which is set to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're baking it on either side for 5 minutes.